So one of the more basic ways is through a table. For example, right over here, in the left column I have time, maybe it's in seconds, and in the right column I have position. And this would be in some units, let's say it's in meters. So at time 0 we're at 3, after 1 second we are still at 3, after 2 seconds we're at 3 seconds, we are at 2, maybe 2 meters. Now this is somewhat useful if you look at a table. But another way to think about it would be some type of animation. For example, this position time table or time position table. 0.
So here Sal is explaining that is a position time graph. And he makes a number like this.
4. So we don't have to keep looking at animation, so we can just look.
So this is the English video provided you got. Now I'll show you how we prepare it. This is a PPT which we are
आप पहले
preparing.
वीडियो दिखा दो वीडियो का वीडियो दिखा
So this is the final output we have.
So there is the script, so to speak, is the English video itself, right? Because the video is created sometime back. The idea is to keep everything the same. The only thing to change is localization and also make it, if it is an old video in English, make it a little updated. So you'll see here.
ದೂರ ಕಾಲದ ನಕ್ಷೆಗಳು ಕಾಲದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ದೂರವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬದಲಾಗಬಹುದು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದೂರ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ದ್ವಂದ್ವ ಏರ್ಪಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಖಂಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ದೂರ ಬದಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 0 ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಚಲಿಸಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು 1ನೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಚಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
मतलब कुछ है
కోర్సెస్లో మీకు అలాట్ చేసిన కోర్స్ ఇక్కడ టీజీ బ్రాకెట్లో టీజీ సో ఈ కోర్సెస్ మీకు ఏది అలాట్ చేస్తున్నారో ఆ క్లాస్